Everyone, welcome to the series. Today we will be making a wrench 15 and 9. So let's go. We will open the SolidWorks parts and then let's go. Go to sketch, choose the plane. We will be choosing the top plane and let's go. First, what we will be doing is we will be making a center line, the reference line, as you all know, and we will be defining its dimension. So it is going to be about 100 mm. Let's define it. 100 mm. Okay. And we will be aligning it. So like fixing it. So 50. Let's go. We will be making two circles at the two extreme ends of this extreme ends of the reference line. So let's do it first and second. Now let's define them also dimensioning. And the dimension is going to be about 30. Let's do it with 30. I think 30 would be great. 30. Similarly for this one, 30. Now what we will be doing is that we will be connecting these two circles. So let's make a straight line to the other circle, and similarly we would do this for the other side also. And let's do it. Okay, done. Now let's define them also. Sketch, smart dimensioning, and we'll define them. It is about, we will take it at about 8 mm, and similarly for the other side 8 mm. Okay, let's continue. And what we will doing is that we will be making that cutout for our wrench to hold. So let's do it for this side. Make a center line and pass it to the center. So to sketch another center line, and for the other side also. Similarly, we would continue this and we would make a perpendicular to this, okay, to this line, reference line. So let's go. First we will define it, and it is going to be about 45 degrees from this line and 45 degrees similarly from this side. 45. Now let's go and add one more perpendicular line to these two reference line. So let's go. Two reference line again, add it, and one more. Okay, then now let's define it. So it is going to be about 90 degrees. So smart dimensioning and just select these two lines, reference line and 90 degree. Similarly for this side, we're doing this 90 degree. After some time, we will be removing this 90 degree and we will be adding few other things. So let's go. This is just to make them stable at 90 degree. Okay, let's go. We will be making the cutout. So we'll be making a triangle here. Rectangle, sorry. First, similarly for the other side, other rectangle. And it is going to be in the opposite direction, okay? This is the most important part for the wrench. that these two are going to be in the opposite directions. Then now we will define them. This is 15 and other side is going to be 9. The side is going to be 9. Now what we need to do is that we need to make them symmetric. So we will click Control and select these 3 lines and go to make symmetric. And yellow line is appearing because we are over defining it. So we would be removing this 90°. Now let's go for the other side. Similarly, click these 3 lines. We will just choose first, second, and then the center line, and we will be making it them symmetry. Second and then center, and then the make symmetric. Okay. Now what symmetric will do is that make them equidistance. Okay. So let's continue, and what we will be going to do is we would be going to take the trim. So what it is going to do is we are going to trim this section so that it looks like to make it like our requirement, our need. So remove all the extra parts which are not required. Sorry, okay, one thing is missing here. We left this thing here by mistake, my mistake. So again, for the other side, we will do the same. First, we need to add this line here. Okay, done. Now we will remove all the extra parts. Trim again and remove all the extra parts. Extra lines you will remove. Okay. Remove it. Okay. We need to redefine it as we have defined that length. So we need to redefine it. We need to define the distance between these planes. So let's define it. It is 9, as you all know. We'll define it to 9 and done. Okay, there's one more extra part left. So we will trim it and just trim it. Now it has been done. So wrench is ready. Our wrench is ready. We just need to extract it and then extrude it, and then we will continue on designing. Like we will make it more aesthetic, and we will be focusing on that afterwards as we have done it. So this is the basic wrench. So we would be needing to make it more aesthetic. So let's begin. So we would just first add the fillet here at all the 4 corners. Okay, fillet. And then to about 12 or 13 we get 12 or 13 will be great, I will say. Let's go with 13. Okay, we can clearly see it is more like a wrench. Now we need to add more fillets here so that we can, like, it would be more aesthetic, and we are not leaving corners because this can cause stress concentration there, and that can make this wrench that can be the wrench failure point. So we will be removing all these corners here. First do it with the bigger size. So fillet and then add a fillet of 3 mm. Let's do, and we would be continuing the same for the other side. Let's do it for the other side. Let's do it. Do it. Fillet and then I think so it will be 2 mm. So let's continue. Done. So our wrench is ready. So we just need to add more aesthetic. So let's go sketch and triangle, center triangle, rectangle, sorry. By mistake, I always call it a triangle. It is a rectangle. Okay. So let's go. Now after this, you will just define it. Smart dimensioning, sketch, smart dimensioning. And then just make this about 70 on, and this and the this is going to be about to 1.5 around. Done. We would just go to feature and extrude cut it. We would extrude cut it to about 1 mm. So this will, what it will do is that it will save some material, so it will be cheaper to make. And so let's do it for the other side also. For the side it is looking great. For the other side we will just do the same. Let's go. Same sketch, features, and then just rectangle and then cut it out to 1 mm. Let's do it fast. And then just extrude cut to 1 mm. Done. So now it has been done. So what we need to do is that we need to type what is the value of this range. This is the range is 59. So we need to type that value on the side of the range so that this can be identified like this is a 15 9 range and can be more easily accessible. Let's go to text and we would write a text 15 here. 15. Make it bold and italic. Done. Okay. We need to drag it down. So there we want it to be. This is 15, so we want it to be on the side of 15. Let's do it. And for the other side, we would add 9 here. So let's go. Text. And then 9. Make it bold and italic. So we would extrude it to 1 mm and then it is done. So let's go. It is all ready now. You can clearly see it. So thank you for this. Thank you for watching. Bye.